In this guide, you'll learn how to change app icon size on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option display and brightness. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the option of display zoom at the very bottom. Click on that and set it to larger text. Tap use zoomed and your screen will briefly go black before everything, including app icons, appears bigger. Keep in mind this also increases text size, but you can adjust that separately under text size if needed. Next up, what you can do is head towards your home screen. Now press and hold anywhere on the screen. Click on edit, click on customize. Now here you're going to find this icon, click on that. Two square icon in the top right to make app icons larger while removing the app labels underneath. So this way you can easily make your app icons larger or smaller. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.